Hello everyone, in today's video we are discussing the basic introduction regarding the Java. Java is a high-level language, object-oriented programming language and a platform-dependent programming language which was developed by Sun Microsystem and now it is being owned by Oracle in 1995. So it is the widely used programming language which are being developed for desktop application, web applications, mobile application and also the Android application and some of the enterprise systems. So the Java programming is being executed by JVM which helps to make it secure and also the JVM is used for controlling the program content and prevent it from generating any other side effects outside the program. Then let us know what is a virtual machine before understanding the JVM, that is the Java virtual machine. A virtual machine is a software implementation of a physical machine, and we know that the Java was developed with the concept of write once, run anywhere, which runs on the virtual machine. The compiler compiles the Java files into java.class and then the class file is being put into the input file called as a JVM file. Then it is going to load the execution of the class file. So let us understand with a simple diagram. So here we can see the platform dependent and the platform independent difference. So in the platform dependent, we have the code C source code example and the C programming is called as an platform dependent because it requires some of the programming machine code which need to be executed in the exe file and the compiler will be using some of the exe programming code. So here the source code will be generated by using the GCC command. Then the program is been converted to the machine code and the OS hardware is been executed. The next we have the platform dependent, that is the Java programming. Here the user will be storing the Java programming as the name myprogram.java and the Java source code is then converted to the Java C where the program is been converted to the class file. This class file will be again distributed as a bytecode. Then the bytecode is being run in the Java virtual machine and the OS hardware is going to support it. So here because of the Java virtual machine, we can write once and run anywhere the program. So next we have some of the features of the Java. So these are the few primary objective of the Java programming language which is being used for portable, simple and secure programming language. Why we call Java as a simple program? So if we understand any basic concepts of the object-oriented programming Java, it will be easy to code any complex problem. Then we call it as an object-oriented. Everything is an object and it can be easily based on the object model we are going to write the code. Then platform dependent, the Java is compiled rather than platform independent bytecode. Then the next feature of the Java is secure. So Java secures, it enables the virus free and free systems. The authentication will be public key encryptions and we have some private key encryptions in the Java. Similarly, we are having the architecture neutral where the Java compiler generates an architecture neutral object file format which makes the compiled code executable on many processors, and also the presence of the Java runtime systems will be make architectural neutral. Then we have the portable feature that is being architecture neutral and having no implementation dependent. There are some specifications which will be made for Java portable. The robust Java makes an effort to eliminate error prone situations mainly on compile time error checking and also some runtime checking. Then the next feature is the multi-threaded feature of the Java, which will be possible to write multiple program and multiple tasks performed by the user. Then the next feature is the high performance. As we know, within just in a time, the compiler of the Java is performing many of the tasks, so we call it as a high performance. Distributed Java is one of the environment present in the internet which will be helping the users to work among various systems. Then we have the dynamic, that is the Java program, which is going to have many runtime informations which are going to be verify, resolve many access to the objects. Thank you.